Hi, you want to know how to play a puppet like me? Or a puppet like that, and you haven't found the courage to try it because you think it's too complicated? I'll show you that it is not so complicated. You just need to know how to do it. The key is to hold the controller correctly. You can hold it in all sorts of ways. But to really play with me, you have to hold it like this. Please don't hold me in any other way. This way you control the movement of the legs with one of your hands. And the other hand remains available for the other strings. So I can walk and swing my arms at the same time. Or you can scratch your head and I can keep walking. What to watch out for next? I am not allowed to fly. Not that I don't like it, but if I am to stand straight and walk confidently, my feet must touch the ground. There is no other way to do it. But be careful. Don't overdo it. I don't walk very well in a squat, and I kind of look weird. So, get me to stand at attention, and let's move on to the next steps. How can I shake my head or not? Simple. Just lean the controller forward slightly to tighten the shoulder strings and loosen the ones holding the head. It can then turn or lean. If you held the controller completely perpendicular to the ground, you should shake all of me. But it doesn't help the head movement much. Yes, it's better this way. My hands are controlled by these strings. You can slip both at once or just one. Watch how I can scratch or touch my nose. Pretty simple, To make me walk, there is this bar that looks like a seesaw. Just alternate moving your fingers up and down. But be careful to keep the controller at the same height all the time. It's tempting to move it up and down as I walk, but that wouldn't make walking very comfortable for me. If you want me to bend forward, you have got to grab me by the backside. Well, not literally. Just hold the string and I will go down. And if I want to look at what's on the ground beneath me, you need to grab the shoulder strings too, so my head can move freely. Yeah, exactly like that. Sitting down is a piece of cake. All it takes is this simple movement. I also need to be able to kneel. What if I met a beautiful princess? How do I do that? Grab the string of the leg that's supposed to go forward. Lift it up and move the controller slightly forward. And I am right where I want to be. Princess, where are you? Well, she's not here. While we wait for her to show up, I will show you what else I can do. For these moves, you need special strings that not every puppet has. Don't worry if yours doesn't have them, because you can make your own. All you need is love. I'm joking. All you need is some string or fishing line, a small screw eye, and if you are not sure how to do it, check out another video on this channel that shows step by step how to string a puppet. And that's probably it. Now you just need to practice and keep at it, and the world of puppet theater will be yours. If you have any questions, leave a comment below the video. I'll be happy to answer.